Namaste, welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I'm Dr. Renita D'Souza. Today we will learn about an herbal ghee, Jatyadi Ghrita, used effectively in external wound and ulcers. Coming to the uses of Jatyadi Ghrita, it is used externally in the treatment of deep-seated wounds and ulcers, non-healing wound with secretions, skin tuberculosis lesions, ringworm infection and jock itch. It is useful in relieving pain and swelling of skin rashes caused by insect bites. It balances excess pitta dosha. Coming to the ingredients of Jatyadi Ghrita, it contains jati. Its bitter and astringent property helps to heal wound and ulcers. Then nimba patra, that is neem leaves. It helps to remove excess moisture contained in wounds and ulcer. Then patola patra, that is leaves of pointed gourd. It balances pitta dosha and relieves itching in the wounds. Then katuki, darwi, nisha, that is turmeric. It is best anti-inflammatory and heals the wound fast by relieving itching and infection. Then sariva, manjishta, haritaki, siktaka, that is honey bee wax, tutta, that is purified blue vitriol, leucorice, naktavaha, that is Pongemia pinnata, and ghee. Its reference is taken from Ashtanga Hridaya Uttarasthana. Coming to the dose and side effects of this medicine is used for external application only. A cloth is dipped in this ghee and then spread over the wound, or it can be used for dara. To wash the wounds, you can use turmeric or tamarind leaves, or you can wash it with healing decoctions such as Aragwadadi Kashaya or Negrodadi Kashaya. Because of its wound healing properties, Jatyadi Ghrita is also used for treating fissures in Eno. It is manufactured by many Ayurveda pharma companies such as Nagarjuna, AVS Kottakkal, Pentacare, SDM and so on. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.